Welcome to our channel. If you want to upgrade to the ad-free Peacock Premium Plus subscription to enjoy uninterrupted streaming, follow these step-by-step instructions to change your plan. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to peacocktv.com. Log in with your email address and password to access your Peacock account. Step 2. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Navigate to the Subscription or Plan and Billing section. Here you will see your current subscription tier and pricing information. Step 4. Look for an option to Upgrade Plan or Change Subscription. Peacock offers multiple tiers, including Premium with ads and Premium Plus without ads. Step 5. Select Premium Plus to upgrade to the ad-free experience. Review the monthly or annual pricing options and choose the billing cycle that works best for you. Step 6. Click Continue or Upgrade Now to proceed with changing your subscription. Peacock will show you the new total and effective date of the upgrade. Step 7. Confirm your payment method. If your existing payment information is current, no changes are needed. Otherwise, update your credit or debit card details. Step 8. Complete the upgrade by clicking Confirm or Subscribe. Your account will be upgraded immediately and you will enjoy ad-free streaming starting with your next viewing session. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.